So today we're going to see page number 189, haloalkane and haloarene. 6.5 question. The question is a hydrocarbon C5H10 does not react with chlorine in dark but gives a single monochloro compound C5H9Cl in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. So how you will go about this question is first break the question into small parts. So your hydrocarbon is C5H10. If you look at the hydrocarbon very closely, exactly it is becoming double. So if you see it carefully, it is following the general formula CnH2n. Whatever is the value of N, it is double. And you also know this, the general formula is gonna suit for two things. Either it will be a alkene or it can be a cycloalkane. Cycloalkane and alkene follow both general formula CnH2n, right? Now, out of this, any one of these will be the answer. So, which one is the answer? For that, they have given you one more hint. Whatever is the answer, it does not react with chlorine in dark. But we know that alkene react with chlorine and give addition reaction. Now, let me give you example. Let us take a alkene CH2 double bond CH2 and let me react this with chlorine in dark. That means there is no sunlight over there. So, what will happen? A double bond will break and one chlorine will get attached to this carbon and one chlorine will get attached to this carbon. So you will get CH2Cl, CH2Cl. It's a dichloro compound. It's a vicinal dihalide, right? That means whatever is our answer, alkene cannot be the answer because it reacts with chlorine in dark. It's an addition reaction. That means our answer is cycloalkane. Now, which cycloalkane will be there? Now, since it is 5 carbon, you draw 5 carbon. And you know that in cycloalkane, every carbon has 2 hydrogens. So if you see, it will have total how many hydrogens? 10 hydrogens. Now they're saying it is giving single monochloro compound. Now what is the meaning of this? This means all this hydrogen which is present, they all are of same nature. Every carbon has single bond and every carbon has 2 hydrogen. There is no hydrogen which is different than any other. That means you replace any hydrogen from here, you will get the same type of product. Okay. So C5H10 is a cyclopentane, which is your answer. If you want to write this answer in proper way in exam, how you will write it? You will write the answer in 3 points. First point, you will write a hydrocarbon with molecular formula C5H10 can either be cycloalkane or an alkene. Okay, so it can be any one of them. Point number 2, you will write since the compound does not react with chlorine in dark, therefore it cannot be an alkene, but it must be a cycloalkane. So slowly you're clearing the points. Since the cycloalkane reacts with chlorine in presence of bright sunlight. Remember chlorination, we have seen free radical mechanism in bright sunlight. It gives single monochloro compound. There was a chain reaction, but here there is no chain reaction because all the hydrogen should be equivalent. Therefore, all the 10 hydrogen atoms of cycloalkane must be equivalent. Thus, the cycloalkane is cyclopentane. So, let me just draw the whole thing in a equation form. This is my cyclopentane. They are saying if you react this with chlorine in presence of sunlight, you can also write it as H mu. Then it will give you a single means one chlorine you can replace anywhere. You can write here also, no problem. Let me write here. But if you do the same thing with chlorine in dark, you will not get any reaction because free radical mechanism happens only in sunlight, not in dark. So I hope you understood the answer. Thank you.